On January 29, 2025, an Arkansas state trooper stopped a rental car for multiple traffic violations. But as the conversation continued, the driver's story began to raise more questions than answers. This is how it went down.
Suspect is in custody.
Falling too close and driving on the shoulder. Wait till we get up here close to this exit.
11 hospitals next off the list.
Hello. Hey, Trooper Arnold State Police. The reason I stopped you, you're following that semi too close. And you're,
I was.
yes, ma'am, and you're driving over on the shoulder.
I didn't know I wasn't supposed to. I didn't know.
Okay. You got a driver's license on you? You got your insurance as well?
It's a real no.
You got your rental agreement? Did you rent it?
Somebody rented for me.
Oh, you didn't rent the car?
Brother rented.
Okay. No, don't worry about it.
Calling Mr.
Nah, don't worry.
You sure?
Yeah, yep. Tequila?
Yes, sir.
Is that how you say it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Come back here for me while I run your license. No weapon or anything on you?
No.
Okay.
No, roll the window.
Yep. Need the sunflower seeds?
That was just what I was eating.
What? I'm gonna have you sit in my passenger seat.
Oh.
So. How are you this evening?
I'm okay. I'm gonna move your stuff over.
What has you coming through Arkansas?
I was just trying to come see my mama.
Okay. Where she live?
She's staying in Dallas.
Dallas?
Mm-hmm.
How long did you get to go see her for?
I was out for 2 days.
2 days. So what day did you go down there? Today's Wednesday.
I went down there Monday.
You went down there Monday? To Dallas?
Mm-hmm.
Gotcha.
Yep. I always go see my mama.
I got you. You gotta go back for work or?
Yeah, I gotta take my baby to school.
You got what?
I gotta take my baby to school.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's a quick trip though. 2 days.
I mean, that's how she just came. They just came. Literally, they just came to Memphis and they stayed for 2 days. Literally.
Okay.
Yeah. Her and my stepdad.
I got you.
Yeah.
I got you.
Cause they crazy about their grandkids and my mama just had a procedure done on her C4, so.
What do you do for work?
I do braids.
You what?
I do braids.
Brakes?
Braids.
Braids.
And Instacart.
What's Instacart?
You know, Instacart, where they be shopping for the groceries, like Spark, like DoorDash, Uber. You know what Instacart is?
I know what DoorDash and Uber is, but I don't know what Instacart is.
Instacart is where you order the groceries. If you put an order in at Kroger,
Yep.
you pay for it, you shop online. So I picked the order up because I shop for Instacart. So I picked the order up and shop.
Born and raised in Memphis?
Mm-hmm.
You ever been in any type of trouble before? You ever been arrested? What for?
I mean, it wasn't nothing like that. Like the last time I was on diversion because I was in a car accident.
Diversion for a car accident?
Mm-hmm. They gave me an aggravated assault. I didn't even know that lady.
They gave you what?
They gave me an aggravated assault for a car accident. They said because the car was a weapon.
Well, did you purposely run her over?
Nope, she hit me. She totaled my car. She hit me on the right here where your back tire. She hit me on the back right side.
Okay.
And she totaled my car, but she was a firefighter. They say they weren't gonna lock me up, but they were telling my mom and them to follow me to the police precinct. But I still ended up on it.
How long ago was that?
It's off my record now, so this been over 5 years. Hello? Adrian.
Don't worry about it. Don't make a phone call right now.
Oh.
What time did you leave Dallas?
I left Dallas about, I think I left, like, completely left out, maybe like around, what's
I got you. And you drove this from Memphis down there?
to my car, the rental car?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's why they got it for me.
Gotcha. I didn't know if you swapped it out somewhere.
Oh, no, I didn't swap.
Gotcha.
I just, you know how you know somebody that they get rental cars and you know, you
Yeah,
just,
I got you.
can I borrow your car? You know,
Yeah, I got you.
it was just, it wasn't nothing. It was just something like that.
So you borrowed it from somebody?
Yeah, it's like my god brother.
Okay, so he's not your.
Because I don't hang around.
He's not your real brother?
No.
Gotcha.
You know how you have somebody that you just.
Yeah, like good friend.
Yeah.
I got you.
Train 1335, 1050.
1050. Nothing illegal in your car?
Mm-mm.
No marijuana?
No.
No cocaine? No heroin?
No.
No fentanyl? No meth?
No.
Nothing.
Mm-mm.
Okay. Did you give me consent to search your car? To make sure there's nothing illegal in there.
I don't know nothing about that.
Huh? You know what?
I said I don't know why would I don't know.
Alright. So here's the deal. Since you refuse, we're gonna wait on a dog. Okay? Dog's gonna run the vehicle. If the dog alerts the vehicle, we search the car. If the dog doesn't alert, you're back on the roadway. Okay? I have reason to believe that you're not being 100% truthful with me. Okay? You're nervous.
How?
When I was up there talking to you, you were shaking when I was talking to you.
First of all, I mean,
Okay.
honestly,
Here's the other deal.
Who wants to?
Why would you? Okay, let me ask you this. Why would you lie to me about your travel?
I'm not.
You're coming from Dallas.
Yeah.
What if I said there's no way you're coming from Dallas? 'Cause I know where you're coming from.
Where I come from?
You come from Houston.
I just came from.
You ain't come from Dallas.
Okay.
So you're lying to me.
I'm not.
What do you mean you're not? You know you're coming from Houston. Okay?
Okay.
Am I wrong?
I just came from seeing my mama.
But am I wrong that you're coming from Houston? I don't need you to call anybody. Okay?
I'm finna call because I went to.
No, there's no way for me to prove that your mom is in Dallas, she's in Houston, wherever she's at. There's no way for me to prove that on a phone call. Okay? I like it when people are honest with me and people ain't lying to me. Because when people lie to me, that has my suspicion up here because you're not being truthful with me. Does that make sense? Okay.
So I did just come to see my mama.
I'm not saying you didn't, but what I'm saying is you're not coming from Dallas. That's what I'm saying. So there's not a reason to lie to me if you're going to see your mom in Dallas, but I know you're coming from Houston. So why were you in Houston?
I'm telling you what I was doing. You want me to call her?
No, I don't need you to call her. I'm asking you.
I was seeing my mother. I'm telling you.
In Houston?
In Dallas.
Listen, I'm not an idiot. Okay. I know you didn't say that, but you're coming from Houston. That's what I'm trying to get in your head. You're not coming from Dallas. And if you went to go see your mama in Dallas, this vehicle was not in Dallas. It was in Houston. Okay? We know that stuff.
What's that?
Where vehicles travel. So I can confirm your story whether you're in Dallas or whether you're in Houston. So that's what has me suspecting you're involved in something you shouldn't be. Okay. So there's nothing illegal in this vehicle at all. Look at me.
No.
Nothing at all. But when that dog comes here and it runs around this car in a minute, ain't nothing gonna alert to the odor of narcotics. You haven't smoked weed.
I have not.
I'm just asking you questions.
I have not smoked.
Okay.
Since before I left home. I promise to God, my kids, I have not smoked anything at all.
You haven't smoked since you left home, as in left Memphis? So you smoked before you left?
I promise I don't travel.
Okay.
Yeah.
But let me ask you this. Did you like smoke, get in the car, and then...
Talking about today?
1336.
I haven't smoked, period.
1335.
I never smoked.
I'm not saying today.
Oh.
I'm saying when you left Memphis, did you smoke, get in the car, and then drive?
No. It might probably was on my jacket,
Okay.
but smoking there or bring some marijuana. No,
Okay.
no.
Well, let me ask you this: is that pink jacket what you had on when you were smoking?
It might be my coat. You want me to get?
No, I'm not. I'm not asking you.
No, it might have a. I mean,
it might have an odor.
Yeah, but I
Okay.
promise to God on my kid, I have not smoked on this road at all.
Okay.
I haven't smoked none.
What I'm saying is, the dog is trained to smell the odor of narcotics.
Oh,
So
it could be the coat.
the alerts, yeah, it could be the coat. But what I'm trying to figure out, why lie to me about your travel and say you're coming from Dallas when you're coming from Houston? Can we figure that out?
I want to see my mama.
In Houston?
I want to see my mama just.
In Houston or Dallas?
I want to see my mama in Dallas.
My
mom stays in Dallas. I've been driving. It don't take nothing. It don't take nothing but 3 hours.
Listen.
To get from.
Listen. You're not listening to me, okay? I know for a fact this vehicle is coming from Houston, Texas tonight. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
It's not coming from Dallas. So we can cut Dallas out of the picture. There's no reason to lie unless you're doing something you shouldn't be doing. Or you don't want me to know something that you did on this trip, and so you're saying Dallas instead of Houston.
I ain't did nothing.
Okay.
I ain't did nothing. I'm trying to get on track. I have to take my child to school in the morning. Like, I don't.
Okay. Well, I mean, the problem, like I said.
My coat in my purse. It might smell, but I promise you, I have not smoked. Period.
Okay.
At all. Like
we still haven't figured out why you would lie to me about where you went. That's the problem here. It ain't about the possible odor that might be on your jacket. That's what I'm trying to get in your head. I know you're coming from Houston, so why not just be honest about Houston?
I want to see my mama.
In Houston? No, I don't need you to call your mama. This does not involve your mom.
For one, because I don't know why I got stopped. So.
Well, I explained it to you. You're following a semi too close and you're driving over on the fog line.
I didn't even know, like...
You didn't know what?
I didn't know that's, I guess, you don't supposed to do that.
What, follow too close? Yeah, absolutely not. With the sprinkling and stuff, roads are wet.
I mean...
That truck hits its brakes, you're going to end up in the trailer.
Yeah.
Then I'm going to be working a wreck on you, or a fatality, and you're going to have to go to a hospital, and then I'm going to have to contact your mama wherever she lives, if she lives in Dallas or Houston, and tell her what happened.
For as long as I've been driving, I never...
And then, not only are you following a semi too close, you're drifting over on the fog line. You're driving over on the shoulder. Okay. Well, what'd you pick up in Houston?
You want me to call my mama?
No, I don't need you to call your mama. I'm just asking you, what'd you pick up in Houston?
I don't look anything from Houston.
You didn't pick up nothing in Houston? No marijuana?
I'm telling you, no, I did not.
No cocaine? No meth?
No, sir.
Heroin?
On my kids?
Fentanyl?
No, sir.
Promethazine?
No.
Any pills? Okay. I just don't understand the purpose of lying if you don't have something in this car.
I don't have no.
Why would you lie, though? Why lie about it?
Because for one,
like, why not be
TV too much?
So they tell on TV they
tell first 48 too much. Then
what's the first 48 have to do with?
Like, shoot, them folks be behind the police be trying to do too much, but I've been in my house.
No, I'm just trying to figure out why lie about your trip. If you went to go see your mama in Houston.
I did, though. That's where I was in. But it's like, I don't...
In Houston or Dallas?
My real mom stays in Dallas.
So who's the mama that lives in Houston?
My godmama.
She lives in Houston?
My godmama.
So the guy that rented the car, his mama?
No. This is my friend mama. It's a girl.
It's a girl?
Mm-hmm. So
you went down there to go see a girl in Houston?
That's a lady.
Huh?
That's a lady.
Okay. So why?
I mean, she was literally just. This is something. She was just in Memphis, like literally.
Okay.
She was just there.
I got you.
So I mean.
So you went to go see a friend in Houston.
Mm-hmm. That's my grandma.
So what I'm trying to figure out is why lie and tell me you went to Dallas.
Like I said, I don't get stopped by the police. Like I don't do this. Like I don't get in trouble. So Like I said, I watch too much TV.
I didn't say you were in any trouble.
I'm not saying like that. I'm saying like just being stopped by the police, period. Like it's so much stuff going on in the world. Like I don't know. Like I don't know. And like I said, I watch TV. Like they be police and stuff be doing too much. Like and I don't get stopped. So I mean, the last time I got stopped by police, I don't know. Once I don't get in trouble, I don't do this.
Nothing illegal.
Take it home, I ain't looking in my car.
Huh?
I don't see nothing.
Huh?
I didn't do anything. I don't have no.
Okay. Hop out for me. Just have you sit back here. If it ain't got something, dude, I don't. She lied about her trip, said she went to Dallas, and she's coming from Houston. Yeah, promethazine. Yeah. You're under arrest.
For what?
What do you mean for what? What's in the trunk?
I'm telling you, I didn't pick nothing up.
Okay. Well, you're under arrest.
So, it ain't even my car or nothing.
I don't care. You done lying tonight.
I'm not lying, but.
I'm sure it's all promethazine. I'm sure. I don't know how many bottles, but it's a bunch. I don't think it has the codeine. I know it's still illegal. It's coming out of Houston. Quick trip.
23 at least.
Probably 25, 26 cases.
25.
And yeah, and a lot of bottles on the side as well. Wagon Pharmaceuticals LLC out of New Jersey. I'm gonna call DTF.
Following her arrest, Ms. Barr was transported to the Malvern Police Department where she was questioned by the Arkansas Drug Task Force. Investigators took custody of the evidence along with her iPhone and Apple Watch before she was booked into the Hot Springs County Jail. Tequila Barr was arrested and charged with following too closely improper lane usage and unlawful sale or delivery of depressants or stimulants. If you enjoyed this video and would like more content, give us a like, feel free to comment, and subscribe for justice.